Angie with Boots and Beats Line Dancing. This is my partner Stetson. Today we're going to teach you the door Show Me. This is a 32 count, 2-wall improver line dance written by Rick Dominguez. And let's get started. You ready? To start, we're going to do half of a V step. And what that means is we're going to go out right diagonal, out left diagonal. Our next step is we're going to do a coaster step on the right. So we're going to go back, right, left, right. And to finish this first set of 8 counts, we're going to do a rocking chair. We're going to rock forward on the left, recover on the right, rock back on the left, recover on the right. So again, from the top, it's going to be a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's start section 2. For section 2, we're going to do a rock recover on the left side. So we're going to go rock, recover, and then we're going to do a triple run over the left shoulder. It's going to be a left, right, left. That was a half turn. And now we're going to do 2 quarter turns with some hip sways and make our way back to 12 o'clock. So we're going to step forward with the right, sway your hips, step forward with the right, sway your hips. Okay, let's do section 2 to count. That's going to be a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's put sections 1 and 2 together so we can memorize. Here we go, from the top, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's go ahead and start section 3. So we're back at 12 o'clock. We're going to do a side rock, recover on the right side. So we're going to go side rock, recover. Then we're going to weave to the left, behind, side, cross. We're going to take a step to the left, and we're going to do a side body roll. So start at the top, do your body roll, false step. Okay, there's one more move at the end, but let's start that again. We're going to do a side rock, weave, step left, body roll, false step. And to finish it, we're going to step our right behind our left and just touch it there. Okay? Let's do that one more time. We're going to go side, rock, behind, side, cross, step left, body roll, false step, touch. Styling, if you want to look to the left. Okay, let me do that section to count. It's going to be a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Good. Good job, guys. Okay, let's go back to the top. Let's put all 3 sections together so we can memorize. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Yeah. Okay, one more section. Here we go. Okay, so section 4, we just ended section 3 with our right foot pointed behind our left. We're going to do a sway to the right and to the left. So step out with your right and sway, sway. So that's a right, left. And then do a sailor step with your right foot. Sailor step. We're going to weave to the right, behind side cross. And then we're going to take 2 counts to turn. Okay, so we're back to 6 o'clock. Remember, this is a 2-wall dance. Let's go over that again. So you're going to start sways. Sway right, sway left, right sailor, weave to the right with a cross, unwind. Okay, let me put that to counts for you. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. And you're ready to start it again at 6 o'clock. This is a 2-wall dance. Let's go ahead and do a couple of walls so that you can get your rhythm. I'll start slow, and then I'll gradually get faster so that you can get up to the speed of the music. Okay? Here we go. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Okay, here we go. A little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. So that is the door. I hope you'll join us out on the dance floor. Thanks for joining me. I'm Tangi with Boots and Beats Line Dancing.